Assalomu alaykum. Guys, yana bir marta. Endi ko'rinyaptimi ekrancha? Ovozcha eshitilyaptimi? Qani? Qani? Guys. Hmm? Aha, aha, deysizlar-chi. Ekran ko'rinmayotganlar darsdan bitta chiqib kiringizlar ko'rinadi. Ekran ko'rinmayotganlar yoki ovoz eshitilmay qolsa, to'liq shunday holat darsdan bitta chiqib kiring. Yoki to'liq Telegramdan bir chiqib kiringizlar qaytadan. Mana bu efirda o'chiringizlardagi chiqib kirsalaringiz, salomi degan narsa bo'ladi. Hozircha sizlarda telefonlaringiz meni darajamga moslashib olmayapti. Tushunyapsizlarmi? Telefonlaringiz ko'tarilmayapti. Agar bu iPhone 18, 19 degan yuqori versiyalar ishlatmayotgan bo'lsalaringiz, ko'pincha telefonlar qiynaladi. Meni ovozim, mana aura degan narsa kuchli-ku. Shuni ham hamma telefonlar ham ko'taravermaydi-da. Ko'pincha birinchi qotadi. Sal ekranlar qandaydir xira qoladi. Asta-asta o'rganib ketadi telefonlaringiz. Hechqisi yo'q, hechqisi yo'q. Xo'p, xo'p. Qarangizlar, darsni yozib olyapman men guys. Lekin nima uchundir mana bu writing marafonlarda bilsalaringiz, faqat ovoz yozilib, ekran yozilmayapti. Uchun sizlar ham yozib olingizlar-da darsni. Agar mabodo menda ekran yozilmay qolsa, sizlar menga birortalaringiz tashlab berasizlar. Ekranni qani to'liqligicha darsni sizlar ham rekord qilingizlarchi. Men atayin mana ruxsat berib qo'ydim. Guruhda maxfiy qilganim yo'qman. Xohlagan narsani boshqa guruhga o'tkazsa bo'ladi. Tushunqoni? Guys, darsni sizlar ham yozib olasizlarmi? Mabodo menda yozilmay qolsa, momo bo'lib qolsa, turut degan narsani qo'yamiz-da. Bo'ldi, ketdi mana. Xo'p, unda boshlaymiz, guys. Deydimi? Deydimi yo'qmi? Qarangizlar, qarangizlar. Demak, sizlar bilan IELTS speaking part 1 da uslublarini boshlaymiz. Birinchi, demak, speaking part 1 uchun guys 4 ta uslub o'rganamiz sizlar bilan. Shuni o'zi speaking part 1 ga to'liq yetadi. O'sha 4 ta uslubdan keyin siz speaking part 1 ga kerak bo'ladigan hamma struktura, hamma uslub, hamma vocabularyni o'zi bilib olgan bo'lasiz. Bo'ldi, boshqa narsa deyarli keragi yo'q. Bo'ldi, shu yetayotgan bo'ladi. Keyin speaking part 2 uchun 4 ta uslub o'rganamiz. Keyin speaking part 3 uchun 4 ta uslub o'rganamiz. Umumiy 12 ta uslub o'rganamiz. Shu 12 ta uslub salomat deyishingizga yordam berishga imtihonda. Mana birinchi bugun o'rganadigan uslubimiz o'zi explanation approach. Speaking part 1 uchun guys explanation approach o'rganamiz. Keyingi darsda timeline approach o'rganamiz. Keyingi darsda comparison approach o'rganamiz. Keyingi darsda contrasting approach o'rganamiz. Mana 4 xil uslub. Qarangizlar. Speaking part 1 da bilsalaringiz, savollar odatda personal life haqida bo'ladi. Personal questions bo'ladi, shaxsiy savollar bo'ladi. Ya'ni sizning mashg'ulotlaringiz, nimalar bilan shug'ullanishingiz, habits, sizning odatlaringiz, yana shunga o'xshagan narsalar haqida bo'ladi. Your routine, sizning kunlik hayotingiz, ertalab turib nimalar ish qilasiz, uxlashdan oldin nimalar qilasiz, kun davomida nimadir qilasiz, yakshanba kunlari nimalar qilasiz degan your routine, shunga o'xshagan narsalar mana speaking part 1 da xullas shaxsiy savollar. Sizning nimalar qilishingiz, nimalarni yoqtirishingiz, nimalarni yoqtirmasligingiz, shunga o'xshagan narsalar haqida gap ketiladi guys. O'sha vaqtda guys bizda kun davomida nimalar qilishimiz, bo'sh vaqtimizda nima ishlar qilishimiz, qanaqa transportdan foydalanamiz, qanaqa transportdan preferences, nimalarda afzal ko'rishimiz, qanaqangi transportdan foydalanamiz, choy ichishni yaxshi ko'rasizmi, kofe ichishdimi, qanaqangi ovqatlar yaxshi ko'rasiz, o'zingiz ovqat pishirasizmi, yo'qmi, uy yumushlarini bilan o'zingiz shug'ullanasizmi, yo'qmi, do'konga chiqib turasizmi, yo'qmi, sayohat qilasizmi, yo'qmi, dam olasizmi, yo'qmi degan qarang, faqat siz birorta bir ish qilishingiz yoki qilmasligingiz haqingizda savollar beriladi-ku, speaking part-1da. O'sha vaqtda biz mana birinchi explanation approach o'rganishimiz kerak. Chunki har bitta qiladigan ishimizda guys sababini tushuntirib berishimiz kerak birinchi. Xohlagan bitta men mana bu ishni qilaman. Men ertalab juda erta turaman. Deganingizdan keyin nima uchun erta turishingiz sababini tushuntirib berasiz, to'g'rimi? Men avtobuslardan ko'p foydalanaman. Deganingizdan keyin avtobusdan foydalanishingizni sababini tushuntirib berishingiz kerak, to'g'rimi? Yoki men hozir onlayn kursga qatnashaman ingliz tilini o'rganish uchun. Deysiz-ku, shuni keyin sababini tushuntirishingiz kerak-ku. O'sha vaqtda men sizga qo'llashingiz kerak bo'lgan birinchi strukturalarni o'qib ko'rsataman. Keyin so'zlarni ham ko'rsataman, guys. To'liq qanaqa strukturalar ishlatishingiz kerak, keyin qanaqa so'zlarni ishlatishingiz kerakligini ko'rsataman. Shuni chotga o'rganib olamiz. Keyingi darsgacha shuni aktiv qilasizlar, men vazifalar beraman. Bo'ldi. Keyin yangi uslub o'rganib ketaveramiz. Faqat e'tibor beringizlar, guys. Hali uslubni o'rganishimizdan oldin e'tibor bering. Men har doim aytaman. IELTS speaking imtihoni judayam qisqa imtihon. Juda kam imtihon. Misol uchun speaking imtihonining o'zi taxminan bir 8 minut, 10 minutgina bo'ladi. Tasavvur qiling, 10 minutgina. Bizlar dars boshlaganimizga 10 minut bo'lyapti, 9 minut bo'lyapti, guys. Qarang, men sizga hali hech narsani tushuntirib bo'lganim yo'qman. 9 minut bo'ldi. Tasavvur qilyapsizmi, guys? Men shuncha vaqt ichida bitta imtihon tugaydi. Qanchalik qisqaligini tasavvur qilyapsizmi, guys? Hali nimani tushuntirdim? Men shuncha vaqt ichida bo'ldi, bitta imtihon tugaydi imtihonda. IELTS speaking imtihonda bitta o'quvchi imtihonga kirib qaytib chiqadi. Men shu vaqt orasida. Imtihon shunchalik qisqa. Speaking part 1da o'zi 4 minutmi bo'ladi? 3 minutmi bo'ladi? Tasavvur qiling, 3 minut. 3 minutdan nima ham deya olasiz? Nechtagina gap yozasiz? Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Nima uchun buni aytyapman? Imtihon juda ham qisqa bo'lganligi uchun, guys, siz imtihongacha bir 10 mingta so'zni bilishingiz, bir 500 ta collocation, idioma bilishingiz shart emas. Imtihongacha ingliz tilini mukammal bilib olishingiz shart emas. Speakingdan hatto 8.5 lar olish uchun. Nima qilish kerak? Eng asosiy, eng ko'p ishlatiladigan bir har kunlik hayotda bir 1.5 ming, 2 mingta so'z bor-ku. O'shani chotga o'rganib olish kerak. O'shani bemalol qo'llay olishingiz kerak. Har kuni o'zbek tilida ham deylik biz bir murakkab frazalar ishlatmaymiz-ku. Ishlatmoq, foydalanmoq, bormoq, yemoq o'qigan bir eng asosiy fraza, kayfiyatni ko'tarmoq, bilim olmoq, dunyoqarashni kengaytirmoq degan eng asosiy frazalar bor-ku. Shularni bilishingiz kerak. Xuddi shunday strukturalar ham xuddi shunaqa. Eng asosiy ishlatiladigan bir 20 ta endi bir grammatik strukturalar bor. O'shalarni chotga qo'llay olishingiz kerak, bemalol, o'ylanmasdan, inqillamasdan. Shunda o'zi bo'ldi. Ertaga siz imtihonda, speaking part 1da 3 minutgina gapirib bera olsangiz bo'ldi. 3 minutgina. Nahot 3 minut gap tuza olmaysiz. 3 minut gapirishingiz uchun sizga bir, bilmadim, 200 ta so'z kerakdi. Tushundingizmi? Shuning uchun men sizlarga har bir darsda bir 70 ta struktura o'rgatmayman. Yoki bo'lmasa bir 200 ta, 1000 ta bir so'z o'rgatmayman har bir darsda. Eng asosiy narsalar o'rgatib ketaman marafonda. Eng kerakli narsalar. Shularni siz kun davomida qayta o'rganib, shularga gap tuzib, shularni mukammal o'rganib olsangiz bo'ldi. Aytganimdek, sizga qanaqa savol bersa ham, xuddi o'sha strukturalar, o'sha so'zlardan foydalanib javob berib ketaverasizlar keyin. Unda boshlaymiz, guys. Mana qarangizlar. Birinchi, keyingisizlar structures. Struktura bilan boshlaymiz uslubda. Demak, explanation approach. Har bitta javobimizni chotga qilib sababini tushuntirib berish, maqsadini tushuntirib berishimiz. Mana, misol uchun, xohlagan bitta men qiladigan ishni aytamiz. Misol uchun men nima qilaman desak, deylik, erta turaman desak. Ertalab juda erta turaman deydigan bo'lsak, I get up early in the morning. Mana, men ertalab erta turaman. Endi shunchaki buni ma'ni, sababini tushuntirasiz, maqsadini, nima uchun ertalab erta turamiz, guys? Xohlasangiz aytishingiz mumkin, to prepare for work. Ishga tayyorlanish uchun. Erta turasiz, to prepare for school. Maktabga tayyorlanish uchun, to prepare for work. Ishga tayyorlanish uchun yoki. yoki bo'lmasam to feel more energetic. O'zingizni energetik his qilishingiz uchun, lanch bo'lmaslik uchun. Hammani. Demak, I get up early in the morning to feel energetic and prepare for work. Mana ikkalasini ham aytaverayman. Men erta turaman, shunchaki to dan foydalanyapman. To feel energetic. O'zimni energetik his qilish uchun and prepare for work. Ishga tayyorlanish uchun. Yoki yana aytishimiz mumkin I get up yoki I rise up early in the morning. Men erta turaman. Nima uchun? So that I can feel energetic and prepare for work. Shunda men o'zimda energetik his qila olaman and prepare for work va ishga tayyorlana olaman. So that I can do something. Guys. Mana buni o'rganib qo'ygizlar. Men nimadir qilyapman, nimadir qilaman, chunki shunda men nimadir qilaman degan bo'ladi. Mana misol qilingizlar. Siz onlayn kursga qatnashyapsiz. Shunda siz vaqtingiz, pulingiz tez bo'lasiz. Siz aytasiz joining this marathon so that I can save money and time. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Men sizga kursingizga qatnashyapman. Shunda tezroq o'tishga ishonaman desangiz I am joining your course so that I can make more progress. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? And learn methods. Men yangi uslublarni o'rganyapman deysiz, shunda I'm learning new methods so that I can improve my level. Badan tarbiya qilaman, shunda sog'lig'imni yaxshila olaman, kasalliklarni oldini ola olaman desangiz, I exercise so that I can stay healthy and prevent health problems. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Eng ko'p qo'llaniladigan struktura ingliz tilida. Xohlagan gapni aytganingizdan keyin. Foydalanasiz. Nima? Pulni tejash. Demak, use public buses or subway so that save money. Shunaqa. Demak, you catch a bus to save money. Siz ishga borsiz to save pul tejash. Yoki so that you can save money. Siz pul teja olasiz. Desak, yoki bo'lmasam I up morning. Ertalab turaman because I want to feel energetic and prepare for work. Men o'zimda demak energetik his qilishni xohlayman and prepare for work va ishga tayyorlanishni xohlayman. Yoki bo'lmasam I get up early in the morning. Men ertalab turaman since I have to feel energetic and since I have to boost my energy levels and prepare for work. Mana bunday desak bo'ladi. Men ertalab turaman because o'rniga since, chunki sababni tufayli. Since I have to boost my energy levels and prepare for work. Chunki men energiyamni oshirishim kerak, ishga tayyorlanishim kerak. I get up early in the morning as I need to boost my energy levels and prepare for work. Demak, men ertalab turaman as dan foydalanyapmiz, chunki yana I need to boost my energy and prepare for work. Men energiyamni oshirishim, ishga tayyorlanishim kerak. Endi bular bilasizlar eng oddiy strukturalar, shunchaki because, since, as. Mana siz o'sha marafonga qatnashyapsiz, chunki deylik, bilim olishni xohlaysiz, inglizni o'rganishni xohlaysiz, speakingni oshirishni xohlaysiz. You are attending this marathon because you want to improve your language proficiency, sharpen your speaking skills, and make progress in your IELTS journey. Ko'ryapsizmi? You are attending this marathon since you have to improve your language proficiency, sharpen your speaking skills, and make progress in your IELTS journey. You are attending this lesson as you have to make progress in your IELTS journey and improve your language proficiency. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Xuddi ketaveradi. Ana. Endi yana ham murakkabroqlarni o'rganishimiz mumkin. Endi aytishimiz mumkin. Men energiyamni oshirishni, ishga tayyorlanishni xohlayman. Shuning uchun ham erta turaman deyorsak bo'ladi. Demak, I want to boost my energy and prepare for work, which is why I get up early in the morning. Mana, endi qilayotgan ishimizni aytishdan oldin, xohlasangiz birinchi sababini aytib olsangiz ham bo'ladi. Mana, I want to boost my energy and prepare for work. Men energiyamni oshirishni, ishga tayyorlanishni xohlayman. Which is why. Shuning uchun ham I get up early in the morning. Ertalab turaman. Endi siz aytasiz, men speaking mahoratimni oshirishni, xatolarimni kamaytirishni xohlayman. Shuning uchun ham darsga qatnashyapman deysiz. Qarang, I want to sharpen my speaking skills and rectify my mistakes. Which is why I am attending this marathon. Which is why I am attending this lesson. Ko'rdingizmi? Shunaqa yoki men puldan samarali foydalanishni xohlayman. Shuning uchun ham avtobusdan foydalanaman deyishlarda. I want to use money efficiently, which is why I take public transport to go to work. Ana. Yoki yana o'sha. I need to boost my energy and prepare for work in the morning, which is why I get up early. Yoki, which is why emas, endi o'rniga so I get up early desangiz bo'laman. Oddiygina so deb turib, shunday qilib, men energiyamni oshirishim, ertalab ishga tayyorlanishim kerak. So shunday qilib, shuning uchun I get up early. Men ertalab turaman. Bunaqa strukturalar ko'p aslida, guys. Men sizga mana shunga o'xshatib, mani aynan qilayotgan ishingizni sababini tushuntirish uchun qo'llashingiz mumkin bo'lgan 30-40 talab strukturani ko'rsatsam bo'ladi. Bizga u narsani kerak yo'q. Boya aytgan narsam, imtihonda speaking partonda siz partiga 3 minut gapirasiz. Bunda siz shundoq ham bir 70 ta gap tuzolmaysiz. Bunda shundoq ham hatto 30 ta ham gap gapirmaysiz. Gapirsangiz bir 20 ta gap gapirasiz. Tasavvur qiling, butun speaking partonda 20 ta, oshib borsa 25 ta gap gapirasiz bo'ldi. Hali boshqa strukturlar, hali boshqa strukturlar. Kuchini, demak, qiladigan ishingizni sababini tushuntirayotganda mana shu strukturalarni o'zini mukammal aktiv qilsangiz shuni o'zi yetadi. Mana, demak, birinchisi o'sha I do something, to do something. Men nimadir qilaman, nimadir qilish uchun. I read books. Men kitoblar o'qiyman. Nima uchun, guys? I read books to broaden my horizons. Dunyo qarashimni kengaytirish uchun. To learn new ideas, yangi g'oyalar o'rganish uchun. Ko'rasizlarmi? Shunaqa. To shift my perspectives, fikrlashimni o'zgartirish uchun. Mana I read books to shift my perspectives, broaden my horizons. Identify my mistakes, xatolarimni aniqlash, topish uchun kitob o'qiyman. I read books to identify my mistakes, shift my perspectives, broaden my horizons. Yoki I read books so that I can shift my perspectives, broaden my horizons, and identify my weaknesses. Ko'rdingiz? I read books because I want to broaden my horizons, shift my perspectives, and identify my weaknesses. I read books since I have to broaden my horizons, shift my perspectives, and identify my weaknesses. I read a lot of books as I need to broaden my horizons, shift my perspectives, and identify my mistakes. Ko'rdingiz? Yoki endi teskarisi qilib aytamiz. Men dunyoqarashimni kengaytirishni xohlayman, which is why shuning uchun ham kitoblar o'qiyman deymiz. Demak, I want to broaden my horizons and shift my perspectives, which is why I read a lot of books. Ko'rdingiz? I need to broaden my horizons, shift my perspectives, and identify my weaknesses. So, I read a lot of books. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Guys, o'sha strukturalar xohlagan qiladigan ishingiz haqida gap ketganda, ertalab nima qilasiz, kundovni nima qilasiz, kechga nima qilasiz, yakshanba kuni nima qilasiz, bo'sh vaqtingizda nima qilasiz, qanaqa transport, qanaqangi sovg'alar odamlarga odatda qanaqangi sovg'alar olishni yaxshi ko'rasiz, qanaqangi sovg'alar berasiz odamlarga odatda. Desa men mana bunaqa sovg'alar beraman, so that shunda mana bunday qila olish uchun. Do you go to the parties? Bazmlarga borib turasizmi? Ha, men bazmlarga boraman. So that I can have fun and lift my spirits. Shunda men o'yin kulgi qilishim, kayfiyatimni ko'tarishim mumkin. Turkiyada so that ko'rasizlarmi? Yoki well, I want to have fun and lift my spirits every once in a while. Men ba'zida kayfiyatimni ko'tarish, maza qilishni xohlayman. Which is why, shuning uchun ham I go to the parties. Ba'zilarga boraman deysiz. Ko'ryapsizmi guys? Speaking Bartonda hamma mavzuda qiladigan ishimizda purpose, maqsadini explain qilish uchun, tushuntirish uchun mana shu explanation approachni qo'llab ketaverasizlar. Men bu joyda yana misol keltirganman. Mana endi qarangizlar. Mana bu joyda misol keltirganman qiladigan ishimiz bilan. Misol uchun nima ish qilishingiz haqida gap ketadigan bo'lsa, what do you do? Do you work? Or are you a student? Deydi-ku, ishlaysizmi, o'qiysizmi degan vaqtlar misol uchun men aytishim mumkin. Well, I teach IELTS lessons. Men IELTS dan dars beraman. Nega? To make money and provide for my family. Pul topish, oilamni ta'minlab berish uchun. Qarang. Yoki I teach IELTS. Men o'sha IELTS dan dars beraman. So that I can make money and provide for my family. Shunda o'sha pul topa olishim, oilamni ta'minlab bera olishim uchun. Please, I teach IELTS. Yani IELTS dan ders beraman because I have to make money and provide for my family. Chunki men pul topishim, oilamni ta'minlashim kerak. I teach IELTS lessons. Yani IELTS dan ders beraman since I need to make money and provide for my family. Chunki pul topishim, oilamni ta'minlab berishim kerak. Yani I teach IELTS as I want to make money and provide for my family. Men IELTS dan ders beraman. O'sha IELTS pul topishim, oilamni ta'minlashim kerak bo'lgani uchun. Yoki teskarisi qilib aytamiz. Well, I want to make money and provide for my family. Men pul topish, oilamni ta'minlashni xohlayman. Which is why I teach IELTS. Shuning uchun ham IELTS dan dars beraman. Ko'rasizmi? I have to make money and provide for my family. Oilamni ta'minlashim, pul topishim kerak. So, shunday qilib I teach IELTS for a living. Shuni IELTS dan dars beraman deysizlar. Ko'ryapsizlarmi guys? The same structures. Birinchi ma'no strukturalarni biroz o'rganib olaylik. Hozir sizlarga so'zlarni ham o'rgataman. Aynan nima ish qilishingiz haqida gap ketganda o'z qo'llaniladigan frazalar, ularni ham o'rganamiz. Idiom va boshqa narsalar. Birinchi lekin strukturalarni biroz aytib qo'yaylik. Qani guys, endi men sizga savol beraman. Men sizlarga guys savol beraman. Ketma-ket mana shu strukturalardan foydalaning. Birinchi o'sha to, keyin so that, keyin because, keyin since, keyin as, keyin which is why va so dan foydalanib, demak, qiladigan ishingizni maqsadini explain qilib ketasizlar. Faqat guruhga ovozli xabar yuboringizlar. Mana bu guruhga ovozli xabar yuborsa bo'lar-ku. Guruhga ovozli xabar yuborib, og'zaki gap tuzingizlar. Mayli, speakingingiz yaxshi bo'lmasa ham, xato qilsangiz ham, hali inqillasangiz ham mayli, lekin guruhga ovozli xabar yuborib gap tuzing, chunki bu speaking kurs. Shunchaki yozib gap tuzmangizlar. Og'zaki gapirib gap tuzingizlar. Xo'p, sizlarga savol. Guys, sizlarga savol. Xo'p, nima desa ekan? Birinchi xabar oddiyroq savol beraman. Deylik, what do you do in your free time? Bo'sh vaqtingizda nima ish qilasiz? Katta, I read books in my free time so that I can broaden my horizons and shift my perspectives. Demak, bo'sh vaqtingizda nima ish qilasiz? Buni aytingizlar. Keyin how often do you travel? Qanchalik tez-tez sayohat qilib turasiz? How often do you travel? Both inside and outside the country. Mamlakatda ichida ham, mamlakatdan tashqarida ham qanchalik tez-tez sayohat qilib turasiz? Va keyin what type of household chores do you do? Qanaqangi uy yumushlarini bajarasiz? Uy yumushlari borki, mana bu cleaning rooms, xonalarni tozalash, washing dishes, idish-tovoqlarni yuvish, ha? Taking out the trash, chiqindini chiqarish, ha? Shunga o'xshagan, demak, uy yumushlaridan aytasiz. What type of household chores you do? Qanaqa uy yumushlarni qilasiz? Har birini sababi bilan ayting-da. Demak, men idish to'g'rayman, xona tozalaman, bu ishlarni qilaman to help my mom. Onamga yordam berish uchun. So that I can help my mom. Shunda onamga yordam bera olaman. Because I want to help my mom. Chunki men onamga yordam berishni xohlayman. Turib qolib, misol uchun, yoki bo'lmasam xonani, uyimni toza saqlashni xohlayman. Hygienic bo'lishini xohlayman. Shu uchun ko'rasizlar. Qani, guys, mana shu 3 ta savolga gap tuzing. Ovozli xabar yuboringizlar guruhga. Shoshilmasdan har bir gapingizda o'sha to bilan, so that bilan, because bilan, since bilan, as bilan, which is why va so bilan tuzasizlar. Har bitta struktura bilan bittadan gap tuzib chiqingizlar. Qani? What do you do in your free time? Bo'sh vaqtingizda nima qilasiz? Salomat deysizlar. Hamma shu bitta. Ketgan deysizlar. Четко bitta hammasi guys. Davay. Shoshilmangizlar. Guruhga ovozli xabar yuboringizlar. Qani mana shunday olasizlardagi boshlaysizlar. What do you do in your free time? Well, I usually watch interesting movies in my free time to blow off steam and calm down. Also, okay, I watch interesting movies so that I can blow off steam and calm down. I watch interesting movies because I want to blow off steam and calm down. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Shoshilmasdan har bitta demak strukturadan foydalanib because, since, as, to, so that, which is why. Oni bosingizlar guys. Hamma ovozli xabar yuborsin guys. Kim ovozli xabar yubormasa, birdan uyiga boramiz. Mana shu jonli darsda hamma bola shunday yig'ilishib, kim ovozli xabar yubormayotgan bo'lsa, shular uyiga borib, salomat degan narsa bo'lib aytib qo'yamiz bizlar. Ogohlantirib qo'yib qo'ymaysizlar oldindan. Keyin xafagarchilik degan narsa bo'lmasin umuman. Rapishim o'ynashmangizlar meni. Umuman. Didor sanam o'ldim mana. Qani guys. Uchala savolga ham javob beringizlar. Ikkinchi savollar nima edi? How often do you travel? Well, I don't travel that much because I want to save up as much money as possible. Qarang, men ko'p sayohat qilmayman because I want to save up as much money as possible. Chunki iloji boricha ko'p pulimni tejashni xohlayman. Sayohatga ko'p pul ketadi-ku guys. I want to minimize my expenses. Men xarajatlarni kamaytirishni, save up as much money as possible. Iloji boricha ko'p pulni tejashni xohlayman. Ko'rdingizmi? I don't travel that much so that I can minimize my expenses and save up as much money as possible. Men juda ko'p sayohat qilmayman. So that shunda xarajatlarni kamaytira olaman and save up as much money as possible. Iloji boricha ko'p pul tejay olaman. Ko'ryapsizlarmi guys? I don't travel that much since I have to minimize my expenses and save up as much money as possible. Okay, well, I want to cut back on my expenses and save up as much money as possible, which is why I don't travel that much. Men xarajatlarni kamaytirish, ko'p pulni tejashni xohlayman, which is why. Shuning uchun ham ko'p sayohat qilmayman. Ko'rdingizmi? Guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. degan narsa shunaqa bo'ladi. degan narsa shunaqa bo'ladi. Keyin qanaqa yumushlar qilasiz? Well, I do a lot of household chores like cleaning different rooms, washing dishes, or taking out the trash to help my mom. I do a lot of household chores like cleaning different rooms, washing dishes, or taking out the trash so that I can help my mom. I do a lot of household chores like cleaning different rooms, washing dishes, or taking out the trash because I want to help my mom. Well, I want to help my mom, so I do a lot of household chores like cleaning different rooms, washing dishes. Well, I want to help my mom, which is why I do a lot of household chores, whether it be cleaning different rooms, washing dishes, or taking out the trash. Salomat. O'ylashmaysizlar men bilan deyapman-ku, guys. Deb o'tiribman-ku. Unaqa. Yaxshi. Yana bitta savol. Guys, yana bitta. Qani mana buni ham aniq sababini o'ylab, shoshilmasdan asl aniq sababini aytib ketingizlarchi. Why are you joining this speaking marathon? Nima uchun mana shu speaking marathonga qatnashyapsizlar? Why have you joined this speaking marathon desa ham bo'ladi. Why are you joining this speaking marathon? Why have you joined? Why have you decided to join this speaking marathon? Nega speaking marathonga qatnashishga qaror qildingiz? Katta maqsad, sababni tushuntirasiz. Yana to bilan, so that bilan, because bilan, since bilan, as bilan, which is why so bilan hammasini qo'llangizlar. Boshlaysiz. Well, I decided to join this speaking marathon so that I could improve my knowledge and make progress deysizlarda. Well, I decided to join this speaking marathon to improve my knowledge and make more progress. Qarang. Well, I want to make progress and master English, which is why I decided to join this speaking marathon. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Bir xil struktura. Qayta gapirib shuni mukammal aktiv qilib olishimiz kerak bizlar. Qani, nima uchun qatnashyapsizlar bu marafonga? Bunday qaraganda, meni go'zal ovozimni eshitish uchunmi, guys? To'g'risini aytyapsizlar? Meni tengi yo'q, daho ovozimdan bahramand bo'lish uchun bo'lishi ham mumkin-da bu narsa. Geldi karan başlıyor, ne bilen yalamam. Kipriklerden beri beşte kadar yalamam. Xo'p, bo'lmasam ey. Yaxshi. Yaxshi, guys. Ko'rdingiz-a? Hali men sizga o'sha uyga vazifa bergan vaqtim ham, guys, shunchalik kun davomida ko'p gap tuzing, mana shu strukturalar mukammal o'qasin-da. O'ylamasdan shu strukturalarga gap tuza oladigan bo'lmangda. I want to save money, which is why I'm doing this type of stuff. Turibman. Birdan which is why, so that o'qolishlikda xayolda. Qayta o'sha 20, 30, 100, 200 talab gap tuzish kerak kun davomida. Chunki mana ko'ryapsiz, har safar shu strukturalar qo'llanilaveradi. Xohlagan ishingizda aytayotgan vaqtingiz, xoh transport, xoh o'qish, xoh ish, xoh qayerda yashashingiz haqida gap ketsa, men qishloqda yashayman, tinchlik, sog'lom hayot tarzidan rohatlanish uchun. I live in the countryside to enjoy a peaceful and healthy existence. Qarang, I live in the countryside so that I can enjoy a peaceful and healthy existence. I live in the countryside because I want to enjoy a peaceful and healthy lifestyle. I live in the countryside since I need to have a healthy and peaceful life. I live in the countryside as I want to enjoy a peaceful and healthy life or existence. Well, I want to enjoy a healthy and peaceful existence, which is why I have been living in the countryside. I want to enjoy a peaceful and healthy existence, so I decided to live in the countryside. Ko'ryapsizlarmi guys? Hatto oddiy qayerda yashaysan degan vaqtda mani men qishloqda yashayman, men bunday qiluvchi. Yo'q, qayerda yashayapsan desa, men hozir Toshkentda yashayapman. Universitetda o'qish, ha, ish topish, nimadir qilish uchun ketdi. Ko'rdingiz, har qanday ishingizni sababini tushuntirayotganda, demak qo'llab ketarkanmiz bu narsalar. Endi qarangizlar guys. Explanation approach'ni zo'r tomoni o'sha speaking part 1da, demak, har qanday qiladigan ishimizda aytib, sababini tushuntirganda qo'llaymiz dedik-ku. Bu uslubni zo'r tomoni guys, e'tibor beringizlar. Ko'pincha biz qiladigan ishlarimizni sababi bir xil bo'ladi guys. Odatda sabablar o'zgarmaydi. Misol uchun qarangizlar, relaxation, hordiq chiqarish, health, salomatlik, self money, pul topish yoki pulni tejash va self improvement, shaxsiy rivojlanish. Misol uchun mana shu g'oyalarni o'rganib olsangiz guys, biz hayotimizda qiladigan 95% ishlarimizda hammasi mana shu narsalarga aloqador. Qarang, misol uchun dam olish, hordiq chiqarish. Ertalab nima ishlar qilasan desa, ertalab men biroz sayr qilaman, hordiq chiqarish, kayfiyatimni ko'tarib olish uchun desangiz bo'ladi. Kechga nima ish qilasan desa, kechga men televizor tomosha qilish, kino ko'rishni yaxshi ko'raman, hordiq chiqarish, dam olish uchun deb ketaverasiz. Kun davomida nima ish qilasan desa, kun davomida men ko'p do'stlarim bilan vaqt sarflash, o'yin kulgi qilishni yaxshi ko'raman, kayfiyatimni ko'tarish, dam olish uchun deb ketaverasiz. Yakshanba kunlari nima qilasan desa, yakshanba kunlari men futbol o'ynayman, sport bilan shug'ullanaman, kayfiyatimni ko'tarish, dam olish uchun yurasizlar. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Juda ko'p demak mavzularda, chunki rostdan ham shunaqa guys. Juda ko'p qiladigan qo'shiq eshitishimizning sababi nima guys? Dam olish, hordiq chiqarish bo'lishi mumkin. Kino ko'rishimiz sababi dam olish, hordiq chiqarish. Deylik, kitob o'qishning sababi. Hatto kitob o'qishda ham deylik odamlar men dunyoqarashimni kengaytirishim kerak deb kitob o'qimaydi. Ko'pincha shunchaki o'zi qiziqar kitob o'qishga, dam olish uchun, hordiq chiqarish, mazza qilish uchun kitob o'qiydi. Hatto kitob o'qishda ham sababi dam olish, hordiq chiqarish. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Bazmlarga borish sababi dam olish, hordiq chiqarish. Sayohat qilish sababi dam olish, hordiq chiqarish. Ko'rdingizmi guys? Ko'p ishimizning sababi shu. Shu uchun ham guys, biz aynan dam olish, hordiq chiqarish haqida ishlatiladigan so'zlarni o'rganib olsak, o'sha frazalar o'rganib olsak, keyin bo'ldi. Nima ish qilishimizdan qat'iy nazar, dam olish uchun, hordiq chiqarish uchun deb o'sha so'zlardan foydalanib ketaveramiz. Xuddi shunday salomatlik haqida. Deylik, nima uchun uxlaymiz? Erta uxlashga harakat qilamiz, sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Nima uchun o'z vaqtida turishga harakat qilamiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Nima uchun to'g'ri ovqatlanishga harakat qilamiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Nima uchun fast foodga o'xshagan narsalardan qochamiz? Yomon ovqatlardan, sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Nima uchun chekish, ichish degan narsalardan qochamiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Ko'rasizmi? Nima uchun badan tarbiya qilamiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Nima uchun zalga boramiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? Nima uchun shifokorlar bilan tez-tez shifokorlardan maslahat olib turamiz? Nima uchun shifokorga qatnab turamiz? Sog'lom bo'lish, kasal bo'lmaslik uchun. Ko'rdingiz? Aynan shu so'zlarni o'rganib olsak, ketdi. Yana qiladigan juda ko'p ishlarimizni sababini sog'lom bo'lish uchun deyaveramiz. Xuddi shunday pul. Ko'pchilik deylik, nima ish qilsangiz ham pul topish uchun, boyagidek oilangizni boqish uchun qilasiz. IELTSdan dars bersak ham oilani boqish, pul topish uchun qilamiz. Savdo-sotiq qilsak ham pul topish, oilani boqish uchun qilamiz. Qurilishda ishlasak ham pul topish, oilani boqish uchun qilamiz. Nima ish bo'lsa qilamiz. Yoki bo'lmasam pul tejash uchun. Xuddi boyagidek avtobusdan foydalanamiz, pul tejash uchun. Deylik, onlayn narsalar xarid qilamiz, pul tejash uchun. Onlayn kursga qatnashamiz, pul tejash uchun. Ko'p sayohat qilmaymiz, pul tejash uchun. Ko'p ham bazmlarga bormaymiz, pul tejash uchun. Ko'p ham demak bozorga chiqavermaymiz, pul tejash uchun. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Juda ko'p qiladigan ishimizning sababi pulni tejash. Va misol uchun yana bittasi self improvement, shaxsiy rivojlanish uchun. Kitob o'qiymiz, shaxsiy rivojlanish uchun. O'z ustimizda ishlaymiz, qattiq mehnat qilamiz, shaxsiy rivojlanish uchun. Mana ingliz tili, har xil xorij tillarini o'rganamiz, shaxsiy rivojlanish uchun. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Shunaqa. Demak, hozir men sizlar bilan guys, mana shu 4 ta narsaga aloqador so'zlarni ham o'rganib olamiz, hamma asosiy so'zlarni. Keyin ketdi sizlar bilan tipadagi strukturalar bilan o'sha to, so that, because, since, as, which is why strukturalar bilan mana shularni aralashtirib qiladigan ishlaringizni sababini tushuntirib ketaverasizlar. Men kinolar ko'raman, qo'shiq eshitaman, kayfiyatimni ko'tarish, dam olish uchun deb ketaverasizlar-da. Xo'p, mana qarangizlar. Birinchi guys, aynan o'sha relaxation, dam olish, hordiq chiqarish mavzusi bilan boshlaymiz. Dam olish, hordiq chiqarish mavzusi bilan boshlaymiz. Qarangizlar. I watch movies. Men demak kinolar tomosha qilaman. Mana. And TV series va seriallar tomosha qilaman. Men kinolar, seriallar tomosha qilaman. Nima uchun guys? To blow off steam and shake off the stress. Demak, hordiq chiqarish uchun. Blow off steam degani guys, blow off some steam deyiladi. Getting rid of pent up energy and strong emotions. Kuchli hissiyotlardan get rid of, qutulish. Har xil yig'ilib qolgan energiyadan qutulish. Odatda deylik, charchoq bo'ladi, boshingizda har xil xavotirlar yig'ilib qoladi-ku, o'sha narsalardan qutulishingiz blow off steam qilish hisoblanadi. Bu so'zlarni har birini guys inglizcha definitionini o'rganing, o'zbekcha yodlamang. Blow off steam dam olish degani ekan deb yodlamang. Asl tarjimasi dam olish degani emas. Bilmayman men buni o'zbekcha asl tarjimasini ham. Ingliz tilida tushuning bo'ldi. If you do something to blow off steam, you are doing something to get rid of strong emotions, to get rid of pent up energy, to get rid of boredom, to get rid of stress. Ko'rasizlarmi? Shunaqa yomon hissiyotlardan qutulish uchun nimadir qilayotgan bo'lasiz. Mana, get rid of pent up energy, strong emotion. I just needed to walk. Men shunchaki sayr qilishim kerak edi to blow off steam. Mana qarang, to qo'llanilyapti. Guys, meni explanation ipray uchun qo'llayapti. Ko'ryapsizmi? To blow off steam, hordiq chiqarish uchun. I went for a walk so that I could blow off steam. Men sayr qilishga chiqdim so that I could blow off steam. Shunda meni hordiq chiqara olardim. Uchun sayr qilishga chiqdim. Yoki I went for a walk because I wanted to blow off steam. I went for a walk since I needed to blow off steam. I went for a walk as I wanted to blow off steam. Well, I wanted to blow off steam, so I went for a walk. I wanted to blow off steam, which is why I went for a walk. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Mana endi bir xil ma'no so'z bilan guys, har xil strukturalarni ishlataveramiz. Xo'p, shunaqa. Mana. Do or say something that helps you get rid of strong feelings or energy. Call me anytime. Xohlagan vaqting menga telefon qil deyapti. You need to blow off some steam. Xohlagan vaqting biroz hordiq chiqarishing kerak bo'lsa, balki yomon hissiyotlardan qutulishing kerak bo'lsa, menga telefon qilaver deyapti. Darddan qutulishni xohlasang, seni sheriging bo'lmoqni lozim topdim deyapti. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Shunaqa. Xuddi shunga o'xshab shake off the stress degan fraza. Stressni shake off qilish nima degani guys? Yana shake off so'zini o'zbekchasini o'rganmaymiz, inglizcha definition o'rganamiz. Shake off degani bu eliminate, remove ga o'xshaydi. Yo'q qilish, o'xshagan so'z. Qarangizlar. Shake off degani successfully deal with something. Biror bir narsani muvaffaqiyatli tarzda hal qila olish. Deal with a situation, holatni hal qilishku, deal with stress endi bu. Stressni hal qilish uchun. Or recover from an illness, injury or negative feeling. Buni qarang. Yomon hissiyot, jarohat, kasallikdan recover, sog'ayib ketish, qayta tiklanish uchun. I hope you are recovering well bo'lsa, umid qilaman yaxshi sog'ayapsiz degan-ku, recover sog'aymoq. Demak, shake off nima degan ekan? If you shake off the stress, you deal with stress successfully. You recover from success successfully. Muvaffaqiyatli tarzda demak stressdan recover, qayta tiklana olish, stressni hal qila olish degan ekanda. Mana she has shaken off a virus. U demak virusni hal qila olibdi, virusdan sog'ayib keta olibdi. Ko'rdingizmi? Mana endi biz aytamiz, I read a lot of books to shake off the stress. Men stressdan biroz qutulish, Ha? Qayta tiklanish uchun kitoblar o'qiyman. I go for a walk in the morning. Okay, I go for a walk at night before I sleep, so that I can shake off the stress. Uxlashdan oldin men sayr qilaman, so that I can shake off the stress. Shunda men stressdan recover qila olaman. Men bu tiklana olaman, stressni hal qila olaman deysizlar. Ko'rdingizmi? I hang out with my friends. Men do'stlarim bilan hang out qilaman, vaqt sarflayman, aylanaman, so that I can shake off the stress and anxiety. Shunda men stress, xavotir degan narsalardan qutula olaman. Ko'rdingizmi ana guys? Mana shunday turib bosib faqat inglizcha o'rganish kerak bularni definition, so'z tarjimasini. Shunaqa. Demak, to blow off steam, hordiq chiqarish and shake off the stressdan qutulish uchun kino ko'rar ekanmiz. I play football and billiards. Men futbol, bilyard o'ynayman to decompress and unwind. Yana dam olish uchun and decompress. Decompress degani guys, relax and calm down. Relax, sal o'zingizga kelishingiz, calm down, tinchalanishingiz. Qarang, I listen to classical music to decompress. Desangiz, men klassik qo'shiqlar eshitaman, o'sha relax and calm down, tinchlanish, relax, hordiq chiqarish uchun degan. Xo'p, I hang out with my friends. Men do'stlarim bilan hang out qilaman. Aylanaman, vaqt sarflayman. Nega? To calm my nerves. Nervimni o'zimni tinchlantirish uchun and recharge my batteries. Va hordiq chiqarish, batariyalarimni qayta quvvatlash uchun. Recharge your batteries degani batariyalaringizni qayta quvvatlash, ya'ni charchab qolgan vaqtingiz nimadir qilib dam olish. O'zing kitob o'qib dam olish, bir she'r yozib dam olish, bir kino ko'rib dam olish, televizor tomosha qilib dam olish, qo'shiq eshitib dam olish, sayr qilib dam olish, ha? I hang out with my friends so that I can recharge my batteries and calm my nerves. Calm your nerves, endi o'zingizni tinchlantirish. Shunaqa. I love talking to my parents to calm my nerves and recharge my batteries. Men ota-onam bilan suhbatlashishni yaxshi ko'raman. To calm my nerves. O'zimni tinchlantirish uchun, recharge my batteries. Hordiq chiqarish uchun. Batariyalarimni qayta quvvatlash uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? I take a stroll in the park. Take a stroll degani guys, sayr qilish. Go for a walk. Sayrga chiqishga sinonim. I take a stroll in the park. Men parkda sayr qilaman. Nega? To refresh my mind. Miyamni demak tozalash, miyamga yangi energiya, yangi ruh berish uchun and feel good about myself. Va o'zimni yaxshi his qilish uchun. Qarang, zo'r frazalar. Feeling good about yourself. O'zingizni yaxshi his qilish. Oh, I'm feeling good about myself. Desangiz, o'zimni yaxshi his qilyapman. Qarang, ya'ni I'm in high spirits deganda men yaxshi kayfiyatdaman degani. Ko'rdingizmi? I take a stroll in the park. Men parkda sayr qilaman to refresh my mind and feel good about myself. Demak, miyamni refresh qilish uchun, o'zimni yaxshi his qilish uchun. I play video games. Men video o'yinlar o'ynayman to set aside my worries and lift my spirits. Xavotirlarni bir chekkaga qo'yish uchun and lift my spirits. Va kayfiyatimni ko'tarish uchun, ruhiyatimni ko'tarish uchun. Set aside something degan bilasiz, nimanidir bir chekkaga qo'yish. Set aside your ego for a moment desam, kibringizni bir chekkaga qo'yib turing degan. Set aside your emotions for a moment desam, hissiyotlaringizni bir chekkaga qo'yib turing degan. Ha? Endi biz aytyapmiz, I play video games to set aside my worries, concerns, problems and lift my spirits. Muammolarim, tashvishlarni bir chekkaga qo'yib turish va shunchaki kayfiyatni ko'tarish uchun men video o'yinlar o'ynayman deyapmiz. Yoki yana I hang out with my friends. Do'stlarim bilan aylanaman to set aside my worries and lift my spirits. Xavotirlarni bir chekkaga qo'yib turish uchun and lift my spirits. Ruhiyatimni ko'tarish, kayfiyatimni ko'tarish uchun. Qarang, dahshat frazalar guys. Hammasi o'sha relaxation, enjoyment, rest, dam olish, hordiq chiqarish, mazza qilish haqida. I travel to the countryside. Men qishloqqa sayohat qilaman and check in with my relatives. Va qarindoshlarimdan xabar olaman. Check in with someone degani guys, kimdandir xabar olish. If you are checking in with someone, you are contacting someone to find out about their situation. Qarang, to find out if they are okay. Qarang, demak, check in with someone degani contact someone. Kimgadir aloqaga chiqish. To find out if they are okay. To find out about their situation. biror bir odamni holatini o'rganish uchun, o'z holati yaxshimi yo'qligini bilish uchun, xabar olish uchun aloqaga chiqsangiz, you are checking in with someone. Demak, telefon qilishingiz mumkin kimgadir yoki kimnidir uyiga borishingiz mumkin, to check in with them. Ulardan xabar olish uchun. Men qishloqqa boraman deyapmiz, qarindoshlardan xabar olib turaman. To take a break from tedious tasks and grueling responsibilities. Demak, qiyin javobgarliklar and tedious tasks. Va demak, zerikarli har xil vazifalardan take a break, biroz tanaffus qilish uchun. I play chess to set aside my worries and feel good about myself. Men shaxmat o'ynayman, xavotirlarimni demak bir chekkaga qo'yib turish, o'zimni yaxshi his qilish uchun ketaveramizda. Ko'rdingizmi guys? Hammasi nima haqida? Relaxation, hordiq chiqarish haqida. Faqat endi hozir vaqtimiz yo'q. Har bittasini boyagidek xuddi blow off sistemni ko'rsatdim-ku sizga inglizcha definition. Shake off ko'rsatdim-ku inglizcha definition. Har bittasini siz shunday o'rganishingiz kerak. Decompress so'zini ham shunaqa definitioniga qarang. O'zi Google'da tuzilgan gaplarni ko'ring. Calm my nerves, recharge my battery so'zlarini ham qarangizlarda. Qancha vaqt ketsa ham mayli. O'rganaveringizlar uyda shunday qilib guys. Chunki bu sizni nafaqat speakingingizni oshiradi. Buncha so'zlarni ko'rib o'rganingizdan keyin bemalol gapiradigan bo'lib qolasiz. Readinglaringizni ham oshiradi. O'zi ingliz tilini ko'p o'qib tushunish qobiliyatlaringiz ham oshib boraveradi. Mana qarang, decompress nima degani? Relieve or reduce the pressure on something. Nimadadir bo'lgan bosimni relieve, yumshatish, kamaytirish. Yoki mana guys, calm down and relax. Tinchlanish, dam olish. Michael sits for a minute to decompress before walking home. Michael uyiga borishdan oldin 1 minut o'tiradi to decompress. O'sha dam olish, biroz o'ziga kelish uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? Qaraysizlar, gaplar o'qiyverasizlarda, mana qarab turib, misol uchun to decompress is either reduce physical pressure or something or to unwind. Mana unwind degani ham o'sha rest, dam olish. And relax after a long hard day. Qiyin kundan keyin dam olish ekan. You might need to decompress after a 4-hour study session with your math tutor. Misol uchun guys, you might need to decompress after this lesson. Mana shu darsdan keyin dam olishingiz, hordiq chiqarishingiz kerak bo'lishi mumkin. Shunaqa. Mana qaraysizlar. Shunaqa. Xullas, mana bu joydagi gaplarni o'qiysizlar. O'sha qayta-qayta mana yozilgan gaplarni ko'raverasiz, o'zi esingizda qolib ketadi. Mana 10 tips to decompress. Deep relaxation such as meditation, when practiced regularly, not only relieves stress and anxiety. Mana qarang, relieve stress and anxiety, but also improve mood. Qarang, yana zo'r frazalar mana. Demak, practice meditation. Meditation degan bilasiz, ichki xotirjamlik. I practice meditation to relieve stress and improve my moods. Mana stressni yumshatish, kamaytirish uchun and improve my moods. Va kayfiyatni ko'tarish uchun men meditation qilaman. Find some fun. Pet fido. Hug someone. Sip green tea. Breathe in peace. Count backwards. Use creative visualization. Ana. Qani endi guys, bularga ham gap tuzasizlar. Hozir demak ovozli xabar yuborasizlar. Dam olish kunlari qiladigan ishlaringiz, bo'sh vaqtingizda qiladigan ishlaringiz haqida. Qani? Mana bu so'zlardan foydalaning guys. O'sha blow off steam, shake off the stress, decompress, unwind, relax, calm down, recharge my batteries, to feel good about myself. To set aside my worries and lift my spirits. Turib, ham bu so'zlardan foydalaningizlar, ham tepadagi strukturalardan. To, so that, because, since, as, which is why, so strukturalardan foydalanib, hozir dam olish uchun qiladigan ishlaringizni aytasizlar. Shoshilmangizlar, bittagina gap tuzmang. Mana bu blow off steam, shake off the stress, decompress and unwind. Deb turib, demak, set aside my worries, problems and lift my spirits. Deb turib, bir 4-5 ta frazalardan foydalaning. Bu yog'i o'sha to, so that strukturlardan foydalanib javob berasizlar. Geldi kalem kaşlı yar, şme bilen yanıma. Kipriklaridan badam nechta qadar jonima deydimi? Qani guys, what do you do at the weekends? Dam olish kunlarida nima ishlar qilasiz? What do you do in your free time? Bo'sh vaqtingizda nima ishlar qilasiz? What do you do to relax and unwind? Dam olish, hordiq chiqarish uchun nima ishlar qilasiz? Shoshilmasdan to, so that, because har bitta strukturadan foydalaningizlar. To, so that, because, since, as, which is why, and so strukturalardan foydalanib javob berasizlar. Qani guys, mana 3 ta gap tuzingizlar. Dam olish kuni qiladigan ishlaringiz haqida bitta gap tuzing. Bo'sh vaqtingizda qiladigan ishingiz haqida bitta gap tuzing. Keyin yana dam olish uchun qiladigan ishingiz haqida 3 ta gap umumiy tuzingizlar. Har bitta gapda birinchi to bilan qo'llang, keyin so that bilan qo'llang, keyin because bilan, keyin as bilan, keyin since bilan, hammasi bilan qo'llangizlar. Demak, what do you do at the weekends? Well, I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends to blow off steam and shake off the stress. I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends so that I can shake off the stress and blow off steam. I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends to feel good about myself and shake off the stress. I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends because I want to feel good about myself and shake off the stress. I usually hang out with my friends since I need to shake off the stress and blow off steam. I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends as I need to set aside my worries and lift my spirits every once in a while. I usually hang out with my friends at the weekends so that I can decompress and unwind. I want to shake off the stress and feel good about myself every once in a while, which is why I hang out with my friends at the weekends. I want to set aside my worries and lift my spirits at the weekends, so I hang out with my friends and have fun. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Guys. Mana shunday. Qarang mani. Guys, qizig'i e'tibor beringizlar-da guys. 1,5 minut vaqt ketdi. Atiga mana bir 4 ta 3 ta gap ko'rdingizda, bir dam olish kuni qiladigan ishlarimizga mana 5 ta struktura bilan gap tuzishga 1,5 minut vaqt ketyapti. Sizda IELTS imtihoningiz, butun speaking part 1ingiz misol uchun mana shunaqa 1,5 minutdan yana 2 ta bo'la bo'ldi. Butun speaking part 1 tugaydi. Mana shunaqa 1,5 minutdan bir 5 ta bo'lsa, butun speaking imtihon tugaydi. Shunchalik imtihon qisqa. Qarang, hech ham ko'p narsa kerak emas. Mana shu o'sha so that, which is why larni mukammal aktiv bo'lsak, ha? Keyin bu yog'i to shake off the stress, to relieve stress, to blow off steam, to feel good about myself, to set aside my problems, to set aside my worries, to lift my spirits, to improve my moods, huh? To refresh my minds, huh? To take a break from ruling responsibilities and tedious tasks. Deganlar, asosiy shu frazalarga o'xshab o'zi bo'ldi. We will be unstoppable and invincible warriors on battlefield. Guys, invincible, unstoppable soldiers deyiladi keyin on the battlefield. Jang maydonida. Ekzamlarlar ichida yetgan bo'lasizlar. Shoshilmaysizlar. Qani 3 ta gapingizlarchi. Xuddi men tuzgandek guys. Men birinchi savolga javob berdim. To dan foydalandim, so that dan foydalandim, because dan foydalandim, since dan, as dan, which is why, so dan foydalandim. Xuddi shunday qilib sizlar ham hamma savolga What do you do in your free time? I love watching interesting movies and even cartoons in my free time to blow off steam and shake off the stress. I love watching interesting movies and even cartoons in my free time so that I can decompress and unwind. I love watching interesting movies and cartoons in my free time because I want to calm my nerves and blow off steam. I love watching interesting movies and cartoons in my free time since I want to feel good about myself and shake off the stress. I love watching interesting movies and TV series in my free time as I need to set aside my worries and lift my spirits every once in a while. I love watching interesting movies and cartoons in my free time so that I can take a break from tedious tasks and grueling responsibilities. I want to shake off the stress and blow off steam every once in a while, which is why I watch interesting movies and cartoons in my free time. I want to decompress and unwind after work, so I watch interesting movies and cartoons in my free time. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Salom. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Ko'ryapsizlarmi? O'ynashasizlar-da men bilan bak do'stlar. O'zlaringizcha qandaydir bilmayman tashlashmoqchi bo'lasizlar, bilmayman nimadir bo'lyapti bak. Don't play with me deyman sizlarga. Don't play with me deyishingizlar shuda guys. Yaxshi, yaxshi, yaxshi deyman. Chotki deyman. Endi guys, endi nima qilishimizni bilasizlar, ha? Ko'rdingiz. Demak, dam olish degan narsani ko'rdik. Yana bitta gap tuzingizlar o'zi bo'ladi. Deyingizlar, bulardan tashqari yana bitta mana shu dam olish mavzusida bittagina gapni, faqat o'sha hamma struktura bo'ladi. Bitta to bilan, bitta so that bilan, bitta because, since, as, which is why, so bilan bitta gap tuzasizlar, yetadi, davom etib ketaveramiz keyin. Sizlarga savol, guys. What do you do with your family to relax and unwind? Qani dam olish, hordiq chiqarish uchun what do you do with your family? Oilangiz bilan nima ish qilasizlar, guys? Qani oilangiz bilan qiladigan ishingiz haqida bitta gap tuzingizlar. O'zingiz emas, o'zingiz o'tirib kino ko'rishingiz emas, o'zingiz sayr qilishingiz emas, oilangiz bilan nima qilasiz? Birorta bir bazmlarga borasizmi, bir restoranda ovqatlanasizlarmi yoki bo'lmasam go on a picnic. Bir piknikka chiqasizlarmi? Oila bilan nima qilasiz? O'tirib bir televizor tomosha qilasizlarmi? Oila bilan nima qilasiz? To blow off steam and shake off the stress. O'sha hordiq chiqarish, demak, stressdan qutulish uchun. Qani? To set aside your worries and lift your spirits. Oilangiz bilan nima qilasiz? O'sha xavotirlarni bir chekkaga qo'yib, kayfiyatni ko'tarish uchun. Qani, ovozli xabar yuboringizlar. Bittagina gap tuzman, guys. To bilan qaraysizlar. Well, I go on picnics with my family members to lift my spirits and set aside my worries. We usually go on picnics as a family so that we can set aside our worries and lift our spirits. We usually go on picnics as a family because we want to set aside our worries and lift our spirits every once in a while. We usually go on picnics as a family since we need to set aside our worries and lift our spirits every once in a while. We usually go on picnics as a family as we have to set aside our worries and lift our spirits from time to time. Well, we want to set aside our worries and lift our spirits, which is why we usually go on picnics with my parents and siblings. Right? We usually want to decompress and unwind, so We usually go on picnics with my parents and siblings. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Mana qarang, shoshilmasdan oilam bilan pikniklarga boramiz, oilam bilan sayr qilamiz, oilam bilan restoranda ovqatlanamiz, oilam bilan nimadir qilamiz. Mamda qilish uchun, mamda qilish uchun. True. So that, because, since, as, deyishadi. Why, guys? Yaxshi. Yaxshi, guys. Xo'p, endi faqat meni ko'ryapsizda, ko'pincha sizlarning xatolaringiz, guys, o'quvchilarning xatosi qaraydi, misol uchun mana bunaqangi strukturalarga qaraydi, ham mana bunaqa so'zlarga qaraydi. Deydi, zo'r ekan-ku, mana bu blow off steam. Zo'r ekan-ku, shake off this stress, yo lift my spirits, yo feel good about myself. Zo'r frazalar-ku deydi, ha? Bo'ldi, lekin aktiv qilmaydi bular. Shuna bu yerda imtihonda inqillab qoladi. I I play sports to lift my spirits deb turibman. Ketdi o'zi inqillab qoladi imtihonda. Chunki aktiv qilmaydi imtihongacha. Bularga aytyapman-ku men 200-300 tagacha gap turishga kunda qayta. I listen to music to blow off steam and shake off the stress. I watch movies to recharge my batteries and calm my nerves. I read books to feel good about myself and refresh my mind. Bilasizmi, qayta gap zo'rish kerak. Shunda o'zi bular sekin aktivlikda bemalol shoshilmasdan tushunib, to'g'ri tarzda qo'llaydigan bo'lib qolasizlar. Faqat to'g'ri qo'llash kerak bularni albatta. Endi guys, health, salomatlik mavzusiga o'tamiz. Endi qarangizlar, endi sog'lom bo'lish uchun qiladigan ishlarimizga qaraymiz. Guys, sog'lom bo'lish uchun qiladigan ishlarimizga. Bag'lik to'g'ri ovqatlanish, badan tarbiya qilish, shifokorga uchrab turish, nosog'lom bagi chekish, ichishga o'xshagan nosog'lom ovqatlar qochish, nosog'lom odatlardan qochish bor-ku, shularning sabablarini ko'ramiz. Qarangizlar. Mana guys, I eat fruits and vegetables. Men meva-cheva, sabzavotlar yeyman. Nima uchun? To stay healthy and live longer. Sog'lom bo'lish, live longer, uzoqroq yashash uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? To stay healthy and live longer. Demak, sog'lom bo'lish, uzoqroq yashash uchun. I exercise to stay healthy and live longer. Men badan tarbiya qilaman, sog'lom bo'lish, uzoqroq yashash uchun. I consult with doctors and dentists all the time to stay healthy and live longer. Shifokorlar bilan har doim maslahatlashib turaman to stay healthy and live longer. Sog'lom bo'lish, uzoqroq yashash uchun deyapsizlar. I avoid fast food items and processed snacks. Men fast food taomlar, qadoqlangan taomlardan qochaman to look after my health and prevent health problems. Demak, salomatlikni g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun and prevent health problems. Salomatlik va muammolarni oldini olish uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? Yana I eat fruits and vegetables to look after my health and prevent health problems. Men meva-cheva, sabzavotlar iste'mol qilaman to look after my health. Salomatlikga g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun and prevent illness va betoblikni oldini olish uchun deganlar. Prevent illness, ya'ni kasallikni oldini olish uchun. Xo'p, I exercise and work out. Men badan tarbiya qilaman, shug'ullanaman. Nima uchun? To regulate my immune system. Immunitetimni tartibga solish uchun, nazorat qilish uchun and pursue longevity. Longevityni ortidan qo'yish uchun. Pursue something, ya'ni chase, nimadir ortidan qo'yish, shug'ullanish, guys.
Longevity degani living longer. Uzoqroq yashash, ko'p yashash degani longevity, guys. Endi o'sha if you pursue longevity, you try to live a healthy and long life. Longevity pursue qilayotgan bo'lsangiz, sog'lom, uzoq hayot kechirishga harakat qilayotgan bo'lasiz. Mana I exercise and work out to regulate my immune system and pursue longevity. Immunitetimni regulate, tartibga solish uchun longevityni pursue qilish uchun men badan tarbiya qilaman deyapmiz. Yoki o'sha I avoid unhealthy foods like fast food items, processed snacks to regulate my immune system and pursue longevity. Men fast foodga o'xshagan yomon ovqatlardan qochaman. Yana o'sha to regulate my immune system and pursue longevity. Immunitetimni tartibga solish, longevityni pursue qilish uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? I get enough sleep. This is a good advice. I sleep for 8 to 9 hours to regulate my immune system and pursue longevity, as opposed to burning myself out. Men 8-9 soat uxlashga harakat qilaman. Immune sistemimni tartibga solish, longevityni pursue qilish uchun o'zimni charchatib qo'yishni o'rniga. Shunaqa. Xo'p, I refrain from smoking. Refrain from something degani guys, nimadandir o'zingizni tiyish. You have to refrain from lying. Bo'lsa, yolg'on gapirishdan o'zingni tiyishing kerak. Xo'p, I refrain from smoking. Men chekishdan o'zimni tiyaman. To take care of my health. Salomatligimga g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun, to look after my health. Salomatligimga g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun and avoid health problems, avoid health concerns. Salomatlik oid tashvishlardan qochish uchun. Sog'liq oid muammolar, kasallik tashvishlardan qochish uchun, salomatlikni g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun I avoid smoking. Men chekishdan o'zimni tiyaman deyapmiz. Yoki I play sports. Men sport bilan shug'ullanaman. I exercise, badan tarbiya qilaman. I run, yuguraman. I swim, suzaman desangiz bo'ladi. To burn off energy and stay in shape. Yaxshi qomatda bo'lish uchun, energiya chiqarib turish uchun. Burn off energy degani guys, harakat qilish orqali energiyani chiqarib turish. Ya'ni ovqat yeymiz, energiya qabul qilamiz-ku kaloriya. O'sha kaloriyalarni semirib ketmasdan, yog' yig'masdan harakat qilib, yugurib, yurib, sayr qilib, badan tarbiya qilib, sport bilan shug'ullanib chiqarib turgan bo'lsangiz, you are burning of energy and trying to stay in shape. Energiyani chiqarib turibsiz, stay in shape, yaxshi qomatda turibsiz degan. I get enough sleep. Men yetarlicha uxlayman. To keep my mind and body in good condition. Miyamni, tanamni yaxshi holatda saqlab turish uchun. Yana o'sha I eat healthy meals to keep my mind and body in good condition. Men sog'lom ovqatlar yeyman, miyamni, tanamni yaxshi holatda saqlash uchun. I exercise, work out to keep my mind and body in good condition. Men badan tarbiya qilaman, shug'ullanaman, yana miyamni, tanamni yaxshi holatda saqlab turish uchun. Ko'rlangiz hammasi guys, health, salomatlikka aloqador so'zlar. We do a lot of things to stay healthy and live longer. We do a lot of things to look after our health and prevent illness. We do a lot of things to regulate our immune systems and pursue longevity. We do a lot of things to burn off energy and stay in shape. We do a lot of things to keep our minds and body in good condition. Everyone wants to keep their minds and body in good condition, but only a few people make a deliberate effort to eat a balanced diet, engage in regular exercise, consult with medical practitioners, and get enough sleep so that they can look after their health and prevent illness. Ooh, ko'ryapsizlarmi, guys? Shunaqa. Endi bunga ham gap tuzasizlar albatta, guys. Bunga ham gap tuzasizlar. Birinchi, demak, what type of foods do you eat? Qanaqangi ovqatlar yeysiz? What type of drinks? What type of beverages? Beverages do you drink? Qanaqangi ichimliklar ichasiz? Ya'ni tea, coffee, energy drinks, sugary drinks, shakarli ichimliklar, energetik ichimliklar, choy, kofega o'xshagan narsalardan aytasizlar. Keyin what type of o'sha sports do you play? Qanaqa sport o'yinlarini o'ynaysiz? Futbol, tennisga o'xshagan. Keyin how many hours do you sleep a day? Har kuni necha soat uxlaysiz? How many hours do you sleep? Qancha soat uxlaysiz? Do you exercise and work out? Badan tarbiya qilasizmi? Shug'ullanasizmi? Yugurish, yurish va anjumanya qilish kabi you work out and exercise. Shoshilmasdan yana to, so that, because, since, as, which is why, so lardan foydalanib bosasizlar. Wanna guys, hatto uy yumushlari haqida gap ketganda ham guys, men ko'pchilik uy yumushlarini bajaraman. Uyda xonalarni tozalash mamroha kabi to burn off energy and stay in shape. O'sha energiya chiqarib turish, yaxshi qomatda bo'lish uchun deb aytsangiz ham bo'ladi. Qoni guys, borsingizlar. Har bitta savolga javob bering, ovozli xabar yuboring. To dan foydalaning, so that dan foydalaning, because, since, as, hammasidan foydalaningizlar. Deyishlarda. Qoni what type of foods do you eat? I try to eat wholesome foods with fruits and vegetables. What type of foods do you eat? I try to eat wholesome foods with fruits and vegetables to stay healthy and pursue longevity. I try to eat healthy meals with fruits and vegetables so that I can look after my health and prevent illness. I try to eat wholesome meals with fruits and vegetables because I want to regulate my immune system and pursue longevity. I make a deliberate effort to eat healthy meals with fruits and vegetables since I have to look after my health and avoid health problems. I want to avoid health problems and look after my health, which is why I usually eat wholesome meals with fruits and vegetables. I try to keep my mind and body in good condition, so I eat healthy meals with fruits and vegetables. Salomat. Ko'ryapsizlar? Boshingizlarchi. Ularga o'sha ko'p gapni jo'rishlikda va aytgandek judayam ko'p gapni jo'rishlik ularga aslida. Va rostdan ham shunaqa guys, oddiy o'ylab ko'ringizlar. Kun davomida qiladigan ishlaringizni shunday o'ylang guys. Ertalabdan kechgacha qiladigan hamma ishingizni o'ylang. Sababi bir 3 ta 4 ta narsa. Pul topish uchun o'sha ishlar qilasiz, pul tejash o'sha ishlar qilasiz. Kayfiyatingizni ko'tarish uchun ishlar qilasiz, yoki rivojlanish uchun o'sha ishlar qilasiz, yoki mana sog'lom bo'lish uchun ishlar qilasiz. Chunki qarang, o'sha har narsa haqida gap ketganda ovqatlanish, ovqat pishirish, hattoki what type of transport do you use guys? Qanaqangi transportdan foydalanasiz deydigan bo'lsa ham, misol uchun aytishingiz mumkin. I usually walk to work on foot. Men odatda ishga piyoda boraman. Nima uchun? Because I want to burn off energy and stay in shape. Chunki men energiyani chiqarib olishni, stay in shape, yaxshi qomatda bo'lishni xohlayman. Qarang, kuchlab ishga piyoda boraman deyapmiz. I walk to work on foot since I have to burn off energy and stay in shape. I would like to burn off energy and stay in shape, which is why I usually go to work on foot. Salomat! Guys, salomat. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Okay, I go to work on foot yoki by walking deymiz. Because I want to burn off energy and stay in shape. Ko'rdingizmi shunaqa? Qani, shoshilmangizlar. Har bitta gapga to bilan, so that bilan, because bilan, since bilan, as bilan shoshilmasdan keldi qalam qoshli yor shua bilan yonima deb turib gap tuzyapsizlar. Qarang guys, we are killing two birds with one stone. Bizlar ham bitta o'q bilan ikkita quyon urayapmiz. Bilasizlarmi guys? We are killing two birds with one stone. Bitta tosh bilan ikkita qush uryapmiz bizlar. Bir o'q bilan ikkita quyon uryapmiz. Bilasizmi? Nima uchun guys? We are not only learning new methods, but also activating new, internalizing and activating new phrases. Qarang, bizlar nafaqat yangi methods emas, new structures, nafaqat yangi strukturalarni o'rganyapmiz, but also activating new phrases, memorizing new phrases, balki yangi frazalarni eslab qolyapmiz. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Boyagi to, so that, because, since, as strukturalarni aktiv o'qityapti. Aynan salomatlik haqidagi frazalar va relaxation haqidagi frazalar ham aktiv o'qityapti. So we are killing two birds with one stone. Bir o'q bilan ikki quyon uryapmiz shuchun. Qani guys. Soatda 7:30 bo'lib qo'yapti. 1:30 soat o'tib ketdimi? Umr o'tib ketyaptimi? Nima uchun deb biladi? Umr o'tib ketib qolyapti-ku. Nima ahvol u? Qachongacha? Qani, hammasi oldiga gap tutib olingizlar, keyin davom etib ketaveramiz. Yana bitta savol, guys. Sizlarga men bu salomatlik haqida yana bitta savol, shu bilan davom etamiz. Bu savol qarangizlar. What type of unhealthy habits do you avoid to look after your health and pursue longevity? Qanaqangi unhealthy? Faqat keyin yana boyagi narsa guys. Men bu so'zlarni o'sha look after your health, prevent illness, pursue longevity, o'sha immune systemga o'xshagan har bir so'zni, stay in shape so'zlarni o'zlaringiz Googledan inglizcha definitioni bilan o'rganasizlar keyin. Hozir vaqtimiz bo'lmagani uchun men har bir so'zni sizga inglizcha definitionni ko'rsatmayapman. Boya shake off so'zi, blow off so'zini qanday ko'rgan bo'lsak, bu so'zlarni ham xuddi shunday o'rganasizlar. Xo'p, qani guys, what type of unhealthy habits do you avoid? Qanaqangi nosog'lom odatlardan qochasiz? To look after your health and pursue longevity. Salomatligingizga g'amxo'rlik qilish, longevity ni pursue qilish uchun. Mana shunga bitta ovozli xabar yuboringizlar. O'sha to, so that, because, since, as bilan gap tuzasizlar. Qanaqangi nosog'lom odatlardan qochasiz? Misol uchun, deylik, hattoki o'sha laying on the couch for hours, sitting on the couch for hours, soatlab spalnida o'tiraverish ham nosog'lom odat hisoblanadi. Misol uchun, deylik, living a sedentary lifestyle by binge watching movies, scrolling through social media and playing video games. Faqat video o'yinlar o'ynab, social mediada aylanib, o'troq hayot tarzida yashash ham nosog'lom hisoblanadi. Yoki o'sha smoking, drinking alcohol farqi yo'q. Qani shoshilmasdan, men mana bunaqangi ishlar qilmayman deysizlarda. I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol, I don't use any harmful substances because I want to look after my health
and prevent illness. I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol, or I don't even use any substances, since I have to keep my mind and body in good condition these days. Well, nosog'lom. Qaysi nosog'lom odatlardan qochasiz? Salomatlikka g'amxo'rlik qilish uchun, guys. Mana Google'larga mana shularni yozsalangiz, Google'lar o'zi ham gap tuzib bera oladi. What type of unhealthy habits should we avoid to look after our health and pursue longevity? Buni qarangizlar, guys. Buni qarang, nima deyapman men, guys? To maximize health span and longevity, you must avoid sedentary behavior, smoking, and excessive alcohol, while reducing consumption of processed foods and high sugar items. Prioritizing 8, 7 to 9 hours of sleep, managing chronic stress, staying socially connected, making friends, hanging out with friends, having fun, maintaining a regular moderate exercise routine are critical to avoiding premature aging. Shunaqa. Endi faqat o'sha, guys, ko'pchiligingiz mana hozir jonli darsda necha kishi bor, guys? How many soldiers do we have on the battlefield defending our country? Guys, mamlakatimizni himoya qilayotgan nechta jangchilar bor hozir jang maydonida? How many soldiers do we have left on the battlefield fighting for honor, defending our integrity? 95 tami. Mana 95 ta odam bor. 95 ta odamdan lekin ko'ryapsizlar, jonli darsda men hozir aytib turibman, yordam berib turibman ham 95 ta odamdan tushsa bir 40 ta odam gap tuzyapti. Ko'ryapsizlar, o'rtacha yarim odam gap tuzgan yo'q jonli darsda ham. Uyda qanday gap tuzasizlar sizlar? Men sizga vazifa berib qo'ygandan keyin-da ko'rdingiz, hozir aytib turibman, avval gap tuzingizlar, hozir gap tuzmayaptilar, yarim baringiz. Bunaqa qilsangiz o'zish bo'lmaydi, shunchaki nomiga qatnash qo'yib, rosa surfrat ekan, so that which is what I like deganingiz foydasi yo'q. Aytgan narsa, guys, imtihon yana aytiraman. Atga 7 minut, 8 minut, 10 minutgina bo'ladi imtihon. Shunchalik qisqa bo'ladi. Siz nimani bilishingiz muhim imtihonda. Men grammatika emas, ko'rsata olish muhim. Qaysi qo'llay olish muhim. Qaysi so'zlarni bemalol ishlata olishingiz muhim. Sizlar aktiv bo'lishlik, gap tuzib gapirish. Xo'p, davom etamiz. Guys, salomatlik ko'rdik. Endi keyingi mavzu pulga aloqador. Mana birinchisi pul topish mavzusiga qarashingiz mumkin. I teach to make a living and provide for my family. Men dars beraman to make a living. O'sha pul topish uchun and provide for my family. Oilamni ta'minlash uchun. Yoki I juggle multiple jobs. Men bir vaqt o'zida ko'pchilik ishlar bilan shug'ullanaman to cover my expenses. Xarajatlarni qoplash uchun and save up for future goals. Kelajakdagi maqsadlarim uchun pul tejab qo'yish uchun. Mana kelajak uchun pul tejab qo'yish maqsadida, xarajatlarni qoplash maqsadida I juggle multiple jobs. I work in multiple jobs. Men bir vaqt o'zida ko'p ishlar bilan shug'ullanaman. Yoki I work long hours. Men uzoq soatlar ishlayman to earn money and make ends meet. Pul topish maqsadida, make ends meet, ehtiyojlarni qoplash maqsadida. Make ends meet degani, guys, covering your expenses, xarajatlaringizni qoplash, o'sha fulfilling your basic needs, asosiy ehtiyojlaringizni qondirish, ya'ni ovqat, suv, pul, o'sha narsalar. Mana birinchi pul topish aytyapmiz. Demak, I teach, I work in construction,
Demak, I deliver products, I work in delivery desangiz bo'ladi. To make a living and provide for my family. Pul topish, oilamni ta'minlashni nimadir qilaman. Yoki o'sha I juggle multiple jobs and side hustles qilsagan bo'ladi, guys. Side hustles degani qo'shimcha ishlar. Asosiy ishingizdan tashqari yana qo'shimcha pul topishni bir kechga qiladigan ishlarni side hustles deyiladi. I juggle multiple jobs and side hustles to cover my expenses and save up for my future goals. Or I work long hours and tolerate heavy workloads. Men uzoq soatlar ishlayman and tolerate heavy workloads. Og'ir vazifalarga chidayman. To earn money and make it pul topish, ko'zlar qondirish uchun. Mana, pul topish deyapmiz. Guys, garchi hozir pul topmasangiz ham, kelajak haqida gapirsangiz ham bo'ladi. Men kelajakda mana bu ishda ishlashni xohlayman, pul topish, oilamni boqish uchun desangiz bo'ladi. Qarang. I would like to work in the field of technology and science to make a living and provide for my family. I would like to be a doctor to make a living and provide for my family. I would like to be a teacher to earn money and make ends meet. Deb turib, mana kelajak haqida ham gapirsangiz bo'ladi. Bular endi kamroq ishlatlar, lekin asosiy pul haqida qo'llaniladigan frazalar mana bular. Endi bular pulni tejash uchun. Qarangizlar. I use public transport. Taking buses, subways, avtobus, subwaylardan foydalanaman deyishingiz mumkin. To stretch every dollar and save up as much as possible. Har bitta dollarni uzoqqa yetkazish uchun, iloji boricha ko'p pulni tejash uchun. Stretch your money degani, guys. Yoki stretch every penny. Stretch every dollar degani you spend every dollar so carefully and frugally that it will last for a long time. Har bitta dollarni carefully, ehtiyotkorlik bilan, frugally, tejamkorlik bilan sarflashki, it will last longer. U uzoqroq vaqtgacha yetadi. Pulingiz kam bo'lsa ham, uzoqroqqa yetkazib, ehtiyotkorlik bilan pul sarflayotgan bo'lsangiz, you are stretching every dollar. Qarang, kuchimiz aytyapmiz, men jamoat transportidan foydalanaman, to stretch every dollar and save up as much as possible. Iloji boricha ko'p pulni tejab qo'yish uchun, har bir dollarni uzoqqa yetkazish uchun men jamoat transportidan foydalanaman. I don't splurge on luxury items. Splurge on something degani, guys, nimalargadir ko'p pul sarflash. You always splurge on books bo'lsa, sharting kitoblarga ko'p pul sarflaysan. You always splurge on cars, mashinalarga ko'p pul sarflaysan. You always splurge on online courses. Sen online kurslarga ko'p pul sarflaysan. I don't splurge on luxury items. Men dabdabali buyumlarga ko'p pul sarflamayman. To minimize my expenses. Xarajatlarimni kamaytirish uchun and prevent financial constraints. Moliyaviy qiyinchiliklar oldini olish uchun. Qarang, moliyaviy muammolar oldini olish, xarajatlarni kamaytirish uchun ko'p pul sarflamayman deyapmiz. I always track my spending. Men har doim qancha pul sarflashimni hisoblab boraman and avoid impulse buying. O'ylamasdan narsalar sotib olishdan qochaman. To live within my means and stretch my money. Pulimni yana bagi stretch yuzi qarang, pulimni uzoqqa yetkazish uchun and live within my means. Va kamroq pul sarflash uchun. Living within your means degani spending less money than you are earning. Spending less money than you can afford. Topadigingizdan ko'ra kamroq pul sarflash. I shop at local markets. Ma'ni men mahalliy bozorlardan narsalar xarid qilaman. To be frugal and avoid overspending. Frugal, tejamkor bo'lish uchun and avoid overspending. Haddan tashqari ko'p pul sarflashdan qochish uchun. Qarang, magazinlarda, supermarket, ba'zilarda juda qimmat bo'ladigan narsalar, lekin bozordan narsa olsangiz, bahslashib arzonroq olsangiz bo'ladi. Shuni ham aytyapmiz, I buy things at local markets to stretch my money and avoid overspending degan bo'ladi. O'sha pulni uzoqroqqa yetkazish uchun and avoid overspending. Juda ko'p pul sarflashdan qochish uchun men bozorlardan narsalar xarid qilaman. Mana endi bunga ham gap tuzasizlar, guys. Birinchi endi pul topish uchun nima qilishingizni aytishingiz shart emas, chunki ko'pchiligimiz hali ishlamasligimiz mumkin, lekin mana buni aytasizlar. Demak, pulni tejash uchun, to stretch your money, pulingizni uzoqroqqa yetkazish uchun, save up as much as possible.
iloji boricha ko'p pulni tejash uchun, avoid overspending. Overspendingdan qochish uchun nimalar qilasizlar? Onlayn kurslarga qatnashaman. Onlayn darslar sotib olaman. Mana bu narsalarga ko'p pul sarflamayman deb turib gap tuzasizlar. Katta sizlarga savol. Demak, what do you do to stretch your money, avoid overspending and save up as much as possible? In what type of things do you avoid splurging on? Nimalarga splurge on degani ko'p pul sarflash, spending a lot of money on something. Nimalarga ko'p pul sarflashdan qochasiz? What type of things do you avoid splurging on? What type of expenses do you avoid splurging on? Qanaqa xarajatlarga ko'p pul sarflashdan qochasiz? To stretch your money and save up as much as possible. Iloji boricha ko'p pulni tejash uchun, pulingizni uzoqqa yetkazish uchun qanaqa xarajatlardan qochasiz? Qanaqa xarajatlarga pul sarflamaysiz? I don't splurge on clothes. I don't splurge on gadgets. I don't splurge on almost anything because I want to stretch my money and save up as much as possible. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Shunaqa. Pulingizni o'sha uzoqroqqa yetkazish uchun overspendingdan qochish, ko'proq pulni save up qilish uchun nima qilasiz? Keyin pulni uzoqroqqa yetkazish, ko'proq pulni tejash uchun nimalar qilmaysiz? Qanaqa xarajatlardan qochasiz? Давай, guys. I don't travel deyishingiz mumkin. I don't have fun deyishingiz mumkin. I don't hang out with my friends. I don't go to the parties deyishingiz mumkin. To minimize my expenses and prevent financial problems. Xarajatlarni kamaytirish, moliyaviy qiyinchiliklar oldini olish uchun men ba'zimlarga bormayman, do'stlarim bilan hang out qilmayman deb gap tuzishingiz mumkin xohlasangiz. Quvon. Maylida. Kimgadir yoqsa yoqmasa. Ularga qo'shilib yig'lasharmidik? Biz baxtli bo'lamiz, Xudo xohlasa. Xudo xohlamasa uchrasharmidik. Rayhon hidlaringni yo'llarib yasib, kut meni har oqshom ko'kkoy chiqqach. Faqat yig'lamagin, aybim nima deb, aybing seni onang, chiroyli tuqqan, aybing seni onang, chiroyli tuqqan. Yaxshilar. Aybing seni onang, chiroyli tuqqan. Teacher, homework tashlab qo'yasiz, ishga ketadigan vaqt bo'lib qoldi. Ha, keyinroq tashlayman, guys. Hozir oxirgisi qoldi. Self improvement, shaxsiy rivojlanish haqida frazalardan o'rganib olaylik. Umumiy yozib tashlayman nimalar qilishingiz kerakligini. Qancha gap turishingiz kerak, qanday gap turishingiz kerak. Hammasini tashlayman keyin, guys. Mana sizlarga qulayroq bo'layapti, guys. Chunki orada yakshanba kuni bor sizlar uchun. Qarangizlar, zo'r bo'layapti. Sizlarga hozir seshanba, payshanba, shanba dars bo'lish kerak. Sizlar endi bugun mani kuni bilan dars qilsangiz bo'ladi. Shanba. Erta yakshanba kuni bilan dars qilsangiz bo'ladi. Ertadan keyin dushanba kuni ham dars qilsangiz bo'ladi. Qarang, 3 kun bemalol dars qilsangiz bo'ladi. Seshanba darsimiz bo'ladi. Xo'p, yaxshi guys. We don't splurge on a lot of things because we want to stretch every dollar and save up as much as possible for future goals and emergencies. Endi pul haqida ham ko'rdingiz, mana qanaqa frazalar ishlatilishini. Endi oxirgisi, guys, balki eng muhimidir, self improvement, shaxsiy rivojlanish haqida, guys. Yamanam jinni frazalar bor shaxsiy rivojlanish haqida. Qarangizlar, guys. I took a leaf out of my brother's book deb boshlaydi. Taking a leaf out of someone's book degani, guys, kimdandir o'rnak olish degani. Biror bir odamdan o'rnak olib nimadir qilayotgan bo'lsangiz, misol uchun, hozir siz kimdandir o'rnak olib, kimgadir taqlid qilib onlayn kursga qatnashyapsiz, katta ehtimol bor. Bitta tanishingiz, jo'rangiz, sinfdoshingiz, kimingizdir onlayn kursga qatnashgan bo'ladi. Sizga onlayn kurs tavsiya qilgan bo'ladi. Uchun ham onlayn kursga qatnashyapsiz-ku. Uchun nima deysizlar, qarang. I took a leaf deysiz out of my friend's book and decided to join this online course. Men do'stimdan o'rnak oldim, do'stimga taqlid qildim va mana shu onlayn kursga qatnashga qaror qildim. U degani do'stingiz ham shu onlayn kursga qatnashgan va siz o'sha do'stingizga taqlid qildingiz. You followed his example. You imitated him. Ko'rdingizmi? Yaxshi odatlar haqida gap ketganda mana shu taqlid qilish so'zi ishlatiladi. Yaxshi odatlar bilan. Siz zalga borayotgan bo'lsangiz, guys, men do'stimga taqlid qildim, zalga borishni boshladim deysiz. Kitob o'qiyotgan bo'lsangiz, men akamga, opam kimgadir taqlid qildim, kitob o'qishni boshladim deysiz. Qarang, demak, shaxsiy rivojlanish uchun bir yaxshi ish qilayotgan bo'lsangiz, men mana bu odamga taqlid qildim va mana bunday qilishni boshladim darslarda. I took a leaf out of my brother's book. Men akamga taqlid qildim deyapmiz and started reading books. Va kitoblar o'qishni boshladim to get my act together and improve myself. O'zimni tartibga solish, o'zimni yaxshilash uchun. Get your act together degani organize your life, organize your affairs, organize yourself. O'zingizni tartibga solish. O'zimni tartibga solish, improve myself. O'zimni yaxshilash uchun men akamga taqlid kitob o'qishni boshladim deyapmiz. Yoki I followed my brother's example. Mana o'sha take a leaf o'rniga I followed my brother's example. Men demak akamdan o'rnak oldim. Hozir. I followed my brother's example. Men akamdan o'rnak oldim and started listening to educational podcasts. Va ilmiy podkastlar eshitishni boshladim. Nima uchun? To turn over a new leaf and refine my life. Demak, o'sha yaxshi odatlar chiqarish uchun and refine my life. Hayotimni refine, yaxshi tomonga o'zgartirish uchun. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Guys, turn over a new leaf degani ham get your act together ga o'xshaydi, o'zingizni tartibga solishga o'xshaydi. Refine your life esa improve your life, hayotingizni yaxshilash. Nimanidir yaxshiroq qilish degani. To make corrections, to make improvements degani. Yoki I took a leaf out of my brother's book. Yana men akamdan o'rnak oldim. Mana kimdir, misol uchun ota-onangiz sizga qara, keyin o'rnak ol. Sen ham dars qil desa, you have to take a leaf out of your brother's book and start doing your homework on time desa bo'ladi. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Demak, men akamdan o'rnak oldim and started hitting the gym. Va zalga borishni boshladim. Nima uchun? To use my time effectively and straighten out myself. Vaqtimdan samarali foydalanish uchun and straighten out myself. Va o'zimni yaxshilash uchun. Straighten out yourself degani to correct yourself, o'zingizni to'g'rilash. To improve yourself, o'zingizni yaxshilash. To refine your behavior, xulqingizni yaxshi tomonga o'zgartirish degani. Yoki I started hustling hard and challenging myself. Men qattiq mehnat qilishni, challenging myself, o'zimni qiynashni boshladim. Nima uchun? To accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Maqsadlarimga erishish uchun and make my dreams come true. Orzularimni haqiqatga aylantirish uchun. Qarang, I am learning English and preparing for IELTS to accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true desangiz bo'ladi. Ingliz tilini o'rganyapman, IELTSdan tayyorlanyapman to accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Maqsadlarimga erishish, orzularimni haqiqatga aylantirish uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? Shunaqa. I'm learning foreign languages, trying to enter university so that I can accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Men xorij tillarini o'rganishga, universitetga kirishga harakat qilyapman. O'sha maqsadlarga erisha olish uchun, orzularimni haqiqatga aylantirish uchun. Ko'rdingizmi? Guys, I'm doing my homework on time deysizlar ertaga. Uy vazifalarimni vaqtida qilyapman because I want to accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Chunki maqsadlarimga erishishni, orzularimni haqiqatga aylantirishni xohlayman deysizlar. Ko'rdingizmi, guys? Mana buni ham aytsangiz bo'lar ekan. Qarang, I took a leaf out of my friend's book and decided to join this course because so that I can learn English and accomplish my goals. Men do'stimdan o'rnak oldim, men bu kursga qatnashdim so that I can learn English and accomplish my goals. Shunda men ingliz tilini o'rgana olaman endi, maqsadlarimga erisha olaman deyishdi. Ko'rdingizmi? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, easy peasy lemon squeezy deysizlar mana. Erta har qanday qiladigan yaxshi ishlaringiz borki, nima bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar, xoh kitob o'qish, xoh yaxshi podkastlar eshitish, xoh bir kurslarga qatnashish, xoh badan tarbiya qilish, shug'ullanish, qattiq mehnat qilish, o'z ustingizda ishlash, nima qilishingizdan qat'iy nazar, men shu ishni qilyapman deysizlar, to accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Maqsadlarimga erishish, orzularimni haqiqatga aylantirish uchun deysiz. To get my act together and refine my life. O'zimni tartibga solish, hayotimni yaxshilash uchun deysizlar. Ko'ryapsizlarmi, guys? Qani sizlarga savol. What type of things are you doing? Qanaqangi narsalar qilyapsiz? To get your act together and refine your life. Hayotingizni yaxshi tomonga o'zgartirish, o'zingizni tartibga solish uchun nima ishlar qilyapsiz? Keyin, what type of things are you avoiding? Qanaqangi narsalardan qochyapsiz? Qanaqangi what type of bad things? Qanaqangi yomon narsalardan qochyapsiz? Qanaqangi yomon narsalardan qochyapsiz, guys? To accomplish your goals and make your dreams come true. Maqsadlaringizga erishish, orzularingizni haqiqatga aylantirish uchun qanaqa yomon odatlardan qochyapsizlar? Qani shoshilmasdan o'shasiz. To, so that, because, since, as, which is why, so deb foydalanib gap so'zingizlarchi? What type of things are you doing to get your act together and refine your life? Well, I'm listening to educational podcasts. I'm reading a lot of books. I'm joining a lot of courses. I'm working on myself so that I can get my act together and refine my life. Ooh, good engagement. What type of things are you avoiding to accomplish your goals and make your dreams come true? I'm avoiding unproductive and wasteful habits like playing video games, scrolling through social media, because I want to accomplish my goals and make my dreams come true. Make my dreams come true. Deysizlarda. Make my dreams come true. Deysizlarda qarang. Ko'ryapsizmi? Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Shunaqa. Shunaqa, guys. Shunaqa, guys. Shunaqa, guys. Geldi karam kaşmıyor, şme benim yanıma. Kiprikleri demmeden işte kader canıma. Değil mi? Давай. 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 Давай, guys. Давай. kelganda ishq yorima kelmasa ish borimi borimi. Zo'r, guys. Zo'r. I hope you are not wasting your time and living up to your potential so that you can accomplish your goals and make your dreams come true. Guys, I hope you are trying to get your act together and turn over a new leaf so that you will be able to accomplish your goals and make your dreams come true. Ko'rdingizmi, guys? Tushundilaringizmi, guys, bugungi uslubni? Qani explanation approach. Har qanday, guys. Bugundan boshlab har qanday gap aytsangiz speakingda o'zi 100% sababini tushuntiring, maqsadini tushuntiring. Xohlang salomatlikka bog'lang, xohlang shaxsiy rivojlanishga, xohlang kayfiyatni ko'tarishga, xohlang pul tejashga, boshqa narsalarga yana bog'lab ketsangiz ham bo'ladi. Va mana shu jarayonda to, so that, because, since, as, which is why, so ulardan foydalanib xohlagan qiladigan ishingizda. Mana guys, sizlarga savol, guys. Why are you making constructing sentences and sending audio messages? Mana sizlarga savol, guys. Nima uchun hozir gap tuzyapsiz va ovozli xabar yuboryapsiz? Guys, nima uchun hozir gap tuzyapsizlar? Ovozli xabar yuboryapsizlar? Well, you are making sentences and sending audio messages to learn these structures and improve your language and sharpen your speaking skills. You are making sentences and sending audio messages so that you can activate these methods and sharpen your speaking skills. You are making sentences and sending audio messages because you want to sharpen your speaking skills and learn these methods. You are making sentences and sending audio messages since you have to activate these methods and sharpen your speaking skills. You want to sharpen your speaking skills and activate and internalize these structures, which is why you are making sentences and sending audio messages. You want to improve your knowledge. You want to rectify your mistakes. You want to sharpen your speaking skills. So you are making multiple sentences and sending audio messages. Ko'ryapsizlarmi, har qanday qilayotgan ishingizda mana sababini tushuntirib bosaverasizlar. Tushunarli bo'ldimi, guys? Ha? Birorta bir tushunmovchilik bo'layotgan bo'lsa so'rangizlar. Ha? Birorta bir misunderstanding, confusion degan narsalar bo'layotgan bo'lsa, we can sort them out. Hal qilamiz biz o'sha narsalarimizni. We can straighten them out. Qani? Tushundilaringizmi, guys? Tushunarli bo'ldimi, guys? Bo'ldi unda. Guys, soat 8 bo'lyapti, unda tugatsak bo'ladi. Unda vazifalar tashlab qo'yaman, guys. Qancha gap tuzsangiz kerak, qaysi mavzularda nima bo'lish kerakligini tashlab qo'yaman. Sure. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Sog' bo'lingizlar, guys. Ha, aytmoqchi, guys. Men bu hozirgi kanalni guruhiga kirish uchun mana bunga qarab, mana o'zi discussion bor, guys, mana discuss. Bunday chiqingizlar, discussga kirsalaringiz, hozirgi mana kanalda gap tuzayotgan guruhga kirasizlar. Bu bir. Ikkinchidan, uyga vazifalarni yuborishlaringiz uchun men maxsus uyga vazifa guruh ochaman. Mana bunaqangi qarangizlar, uyga vazifa guruh ochiladi, guys. Xuddi mana bunday qilib turib vazifalar tashlab boraverasizlar. Mana bular oldin ochilingan guruhlar, hammasi eski guruhlar bu joyda. Qaraysizlar keyin, mana, misol uchun Spartans 6 uyga vazifa guruhi. Mana qarang, mana qarang. Xuddi hozirgidek mana gap tuzib, mana ovozli xabarlar tashlaysizlar. So'zlarni mana bunday qilib turib inglizcha definitionlarini va blow off steam, shake off the stress, look after your health, pursue longevity degan frazalarni inglizcha mana bunday definitionlarni tashlaysizlar. Har birini tagidan mana bunday qilib turib gap tuzasizlar, ha? Xuddi shunday qilib xullas to'liq hozirgacha o'tilgan so'zlarni tahlil qilib, boyagi strukturalarga gap tuzib, mana uyga vazifa guruhiga yuboraverasizlar. Va uyga vazifa guruh xuddi mana shunday bo'ladi, guys. Sizlar shunday kirib, mana create topic, mavzu yaratish degan joyi bo'ladi. Shunga shunday bosasiz tagin o'zingizning ism familiyangiz bilan Suhrobjon Abduvaliyev deymiz tagin. Create deysiz. Mana keyin salomat deb bitta xabar yuborib qo'yasizlar. Birdan mana bu joyga chiqadi guruhingiz. Qarang, mana sizning sectioningiz chiqadi. Shu yerga keyin deb o'zi ovozli xabar, hamma narsa vazifalar yuboraverasizlar. Men o'zim shulardan tekshirib yuboraman keyin. Shunaqa. Guys, sog' bo'lingizlar. Ha? Salomat bo'lingizlar endi, guys, unday bo'ladigan bo'lsa, astagina to'xtatamiz. Sizlar bilan alvido demoq vaqti, vidolashmoq vaqti, ajralishmoq vaqti keldi, guys. Taqdir bizni birga bo'lishimizni xohlamadi. Afsus. Mayli. Bu hayotda birga bo'la olmasak, keyingi hayotda uchrashamiz sizlar bilan, guys. Sog' bo'lingizlar.